We're at the day 2 of the Kōrero Assembly on climate change in the Mana Whenua space.
Today we kind of talked about action planning and reflections on last week, which was all about ideas.
We heard from the rangatahi who put together an amazing waiata, did some poetry, gave us lots of recommendations.
Taiatanga is more than just a word. It's a form of love and harmony, a way to not be separated, a way to face struggles together. He waka eke noa, we are all in this together. Humye, huye, taie.
And then we played...
Maraeopoli.
It's a game but not a game, where we plan 100 years ahead and we have $4 million.
Building scenarios of natural disasters, what happens in those situations, what does it look like, where are we moving to, and it was really exciting to see the whakaaro that the room had about those things.
And I wonder whether we are doing anything now that would lead to our future generations looking back with pride and being proud of the fact that their kuia and their karawa sat around a room once in 2025 and made magic happen, and because of that we're living on our whenua now.